If you want to search for a song on Realme 14T, you have two main ways to do so. So the best, I think, method to search for a song is by using circle to search. So if you have three buttons for navigation, you need to press and hold your finger on the home screen. If you use gestures for navigation, then you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that you have at the bottom. And then you should be able to press on this button over here that allows you to let your phone listen to the audio and try to find the song. So you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to find Google search results. And the second method is pretty similar. It uses the same tool, however, it is accessible through quick settings. So if you go to quick settings, then you might need to add the button first. So tap on these three dots in the top right corner, press edit tiles, and then over here where we have more tiles, we need to find the song search. It is over here in my case, so I can tap on it in order to add it to the list. Let's go back. And as you can see, it looks the same because it is just the same feature. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.